Today we are going to make bread rolls, and this is the material which we need to make bread roll. And we have a very beautiful cook with us.
Hi. Hello guys. ठीक है, हमारे पास प्रिपरेशन के लिए है
boiled potatoes, chili,
chopped onion, salt, red chili powder, and this is oil.
Cut the sides of the bread. Mix chopped onion in the potato paste. Chili powder according to taste. Some salt and oil. Mix it gently. And now press it. With the paste, potato paste,
And roll it.
and roll it now. Roll is ready. Boil oil in a wide pan and drop the bread roll into the hot oil. And now it is ready.
It's very tasty.
These are ready, and we are going to fry it in a boiled oil. Now hot bread rolls are ready to eat. You can check them with red or green sauce.